Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, thinner, bigger, and bolder than ever. Samsung's next-generation foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is shaping up to be a significant leap over its predecessor. According to new leaks, the device will be thinner, larger, and feature dramatically slimmer bezels. With an official reveal expected during Samsung's Unpacked event in July 2025, excitement is building. The Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 158.4mm height, 143.1mm width, and an astonishing 3.9mm thickness when unfolded, making it Samsung's slimmest and largest foldable to date. When folded, it reportedly measures just 8.9mm, down from the Fold 6's 12.1mm. The internal AMOLED screen will expand to 8.2 inches, up from 7.6 inches on the Fold 6, while the outer display will grow to 6.5 inches. Even more impressive are the super-thin bezels, just 1mm on the inner screen and 1.2mm on the outer, significantly reduced from the previous generation. Some rumors even suggest bezels as thin as 0.5mm, enhancing the immersive experience. These design changes give the Z Fold 7 a sleeker, more premium appearance. However, not everything is a step forward. The Fold 7 is expected to retain the same 4,400 mAh battery and 25W charging speed as the Fold 6, decisions that have drawn criticism from fans hoping for more substantial upgrades in power efficiency. Powering the device will likely be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, offering performance and battery life improvements. There's also talk of camera upgrades, possibly borrowing the 200MP main sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra and enhancing the under-display camera's resolution. Despite rumors of foldables catching up to traditional smartphones in battery life, they still lag behind top-tier flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, which each boast more than 17 hours of battery life. That makes the Fold 7's relatively modest battery capacity a continued concern for heavy users. Samsung is expected to unveil the Z Fold 7 in early July, with possible dates floating between July 1st and July 7th, just before US Independence Day. The event may take place in New York, marking a return to the city after Samsung's last Unpacked event there in 2022. While the Z Fold 6 was largely an incremental upgrade, the Z Fold 7 promises to be a more substantial evolution in terms of design and usability. Still, battery life and pricing, rumored to remain around $1,899, could be sticking points for many consumers. Foldable phones have come a long way, and with the Z Fold 7, Samsung may be closer than ever to delivering a truly polished experience. But unless it can offer meaningful improvements in battery performance, many may still hesitate to switch from traditional flagship devices. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to launch day.